up, everybody? Dante here. Now, I got a new pair of headphones, the Airpods Max. I don't know why they call AirPods when they're kind of over the air headphones, and so don't know why they call them that. But yeah, these are the Apple version of noise canceling over the air headphones. Now, there's been some things about these that some people have a little gripe with, but I'm gonna check them out for myself. I've always been a big fan of headphones that go over your ear. The Sony XM3s and 4s, I love those. The Audio Technica ATH M50 BT, the wireless Bluetooth ones, great sounding headphones. I have the Bose 700. I like the design of them, but not quite the sound of them. So let's see where this and these fall at. All right, let's go and get this started. Okay. Hold on. Alright, let's go and get this going. Now, the thing is with these, the look and design of them, I didn't like at first, but it kind of over time, when I started seeing them, and do I have to say anything about this? Yeah, we're gonna leave that one alone. Is this it's plastic. I'm about to say, this is how it looks? Alright. Oh well. Alright, let's see what's in here. A little literature, a little cable to charge it. No power charger. You just get the USB-C to lightning port adapter. That's fine. All right, what else we got here? Some more literature, blah, 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 blah. All right, now, this has been the whole talk about how this thing looks. People say these are heavy. To me, they're not heavy, but let me see. Let me put these bad boys on. And, all right, now here's the look and design of them. Now, one thing I seen that I thought was pretty cool was you can take the, that new smell. You can take these off, and they're magnetic, and which I think is cool. So if they get dirty, it's time to change them. You can buy them, but they're like $70 to get new ones, so that's a bit much. But let me get my phone and hook these bad boys up. So when you get them, they at 85% battery life. I think that's pretty cool. Okay, right and left. Now, I'm gonna check out and see how these bad boys sound. Let me see. Now I want to see if you can do any type of adjusting, like the equalizer, change the bass to what you want. So let's go to the volume. No, you can't really adjust any, EQ. So like one of the things I like about the Sonys is they got this app where you can adjust the EQ, the noise canceling, all those things. So you basically just put these on and they just work the way you want. From listening from the songs that I'm listening to right now, let me see. So far, I like the sound. I'm a little biased because I'm a big fan of the Sony, so I'm gonna give it some time, do some more tests, listen to some more music, listen to the difference between the noise cancellation. But to me, I think noise cancellation. I don't believe one's better than the other. I think they both do them. If they're doing well enough, you get the job done. What's the big deal? But I'm gonna do these type of tests, go through it, listen to some music, all kinds of music, all layers of it. So to see, can these replace the Sony XM4s? Because the XM3s I love, but the problem with that, you only can have one device at a time. The XM4s, you can simultaneously change between two. But when it comes to the Apple ecosystem and all the connectivity that comes with it, like right now, these are connected to my phone, my iPad, my laptops, and I don't gotta do nothing else. It does it all by itself. Once you connect, it's all connected, all together. And that's one of the things I think is like some of the best when it comes to like connectivity with Apple products. But that's pretty much it right now for this little unboxing, little review of these. And Apple, come on, man, you could have gave us a case. But that's a smart case. And I've also heard that there's no power off for these things, so they just go ahead and they go into a low power mode. Don't know how that's going to last over time, but we just have to wait and see. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Post a comment down below. Let me know if you had these headphones. Let me know what you think about them. And always, once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.